Go.
Vengeance is not ours. It's God's. Ums. Ums. Spare me your mercy. I am a child so young, so clean, and so why are you staring at me? My eyes I cannot see, but I know that you are all staring at me. Why are you whispering to one another? Why? Do you know my mother? Do you know my father? Did you know me 5 years ago? Yes. 5 years of bitterness. I can still remember the past happiness. Mother and I share with each other. We were very happy indeed. Suddenly, 5 loud knocks were heard on the door, and deep silence ensued. Did the cruel meet Mother ran to father's side, pleading, "Please, Luis, hide in the cellar. There in the cellar where they cannot find me." I pulled my father's arm, but he did not move. It seemed as though his feet were glued to the floor. The door went bang, and for us, 5 ugly beasts came barging in. "Are you Captain Luis Santos?" roared the other all. "Yes," said my father. "You are under arrest," said Martin. They pulled Father roughly away from us. Father was not given a chance to beat us. We followed them mile after mile. We were hungry and thirsty. We saw people Japanese eating. Oh, how our mouths watered seeing the delicious food they were. And suddenly, we heard a voice. "Consuelo, Oscar, Consuelo, Oscar, Consuelo, Oscar." We ran towards the direction of the voice, but it was too late. We saw Father hanging on a tree, dead.
Hindi.
Oh, it was terrible.
Hindi.
He had been badly beaten and died. And they cried out, "Vengeance! Vengeance! Vengeance!" Everything went black. The next thing I knew, I was nursing my poor invalid mother. One day, I heard the church bell ring. Ding dong, ding dong. It was a sign for us to find a shelter in our hideout.
Hindi.
But I could not leave my invalid mother. I tried to show her the way to the hideout. Suddenly,
Hindi no.
bombs started falling. Airplanes were roaring overhead. Cannons were firing from everywhere. Boom! 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 Mother was hit. Her legs were shot into pieces. I took her gently in my arms and cried, "I love vengeance! Vengeance!